Arjuna has to question Krishna. Chanchalam hi mana Krishna. Itna chanchal. So fast. Even the more power mind has than our electricity. ऐसे है बिल्कुल, सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं। उसी माइंड को, जो चारे चक्कर हैं उसको खत्म करने के लिए बोले एक ही तरीका है, जीवन मरण का चक्कर, ना कि ओनली मन के चक्कर, जीवन मरण का चक्कर भी समाप्त करने के लिए यदि कुछ है, एक ही चीज है, वो है सेंटर। आवर सेंटर इज लॉस्ट। व्हेन आवर सेंटर इज लॉस्ट, then we keep going and going and going and going to find that center. And what we need from that center, that ever happiness. And to find that ultimate happiness, we keep looking for that happiness. We go to movie, 3 hours, we are very happy. And we feel, right, I got it. Wow, beautiful. And for a few hours we keep discussing about the movie, about the songs, keep singing about those songs, keep talking about those songs, but movie is over. That happiness is not that goes for 30 days, not even 30 days. Then we find something else. Let us go for vacation. We go for vacation. Vacation, we are there at the vacation. Okay, we go to vacation, we go in the restaurant, we have ice cream, we have, again, these few things we have. Wines, movies, few foods, that's it. What else is there? Eye shopping, our focus changes. But through all of that, what you are looking, ultimately, is happiness. Even just short, temporary happiness, but you are looking happiness. Purpose is not lost. Destination is happiness, but we are looking through happiness through those destinations where their happiness is not. लगता है नहीं, नहीं? So, to find that happiness, we go thousands of places. Our mind goes millions of places, takes millions of dreams, ultimately gets tired, exhausted, and at the end of the day or end of the life, you say, I don't know what happened, what went wrong. Everything tried, but still not set. Everything seen, still not happy. कहाँ गड़बड़ हो गई, क्या हुआ? तो आदमी फिर उसके आगे की तलाश ढूंढता है, ये भी देखा, ये भी देखा। इसलिए हमारे शास्त्र में है ना, all the time we have all these beautiful divine mantras, neti, 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 na iti, na iti, not here, not here, not here, ये भी नहीं, ये भी नहीं, not this, not that. So what then? If not this, not that, something somewhere is there. Why am I drawn to that? Until I found that happiness, I am not happy. Why I am drawn to that? I am drawn to so many things, not for those few things. Through those things, I am looking for happiness. That's why our rishis, our seers, those sages were very smart. They said, okay, yes, happiness is there. But how to start? How to start to that happiness? Then they gave this temple idea. Otherwise, in our culture, there was no temple ideas in the beginning. There were no temples. Then in the temple, you need something, not mere building, which makes a building temple, then the divine, then the form of the divine, then the many forms of the divine. Saying one thing, forms are many, but I am one. He is one. And then what to do with that one? Well, go to the temple, have the darshan. And after having the darshan, should not be forgotten one thing. Darshan is over. Then you go to the work. Well, then what? Well, purpose of going to temple is not lost or not gone. There is another step to be taken, and that is take 3 rounds of the temple. And what is that? There are many other meanings, 3 gunas or 3 avasthas and so many things. I'm not going to go there. Rajogun, Satogun, Tamogun, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, those all is there. Then you reach the Turiya. That all those 3 steps, why we take, I'm not going to go to that area, but let me tell you the fine line, the final line. That the purpose was, because the center is lost, and we are looking for that center, going to shopping center, going to movie center, going to every center, going to spa center, we are going to centers. Name? Stress management center, whatever you give name, yoga center, that looking for that center, through those centers. Temple has given that center. Now have the darshan, now close your eyes and now take the 3 pradakshinas. And then come back, have the darshan, and remember, oh Lord, you are the center. I am going to start my work. Work will be there. Again, these chakras are going to be there. In all these parikramas of world, just be there with me. That you stay there, you be my center. ये याद कराने के लिए ये सारी परिक्रमा है. वो सेंटर मिल जाए तो फिर किसी सेंटर में जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. बस उसी सेंटर को खोजने के लिए यात्रा है जीवन की. इस जन्म में हो या जन्मों जन्मों में हो, either you can find in this life or maybe many more lives, but main thing is you are the key. You make a decision now कि yes, I want to have this center now. हो जाएगा तो बाकी जितने सेंटर हैं धीरे धीरे कम होते जाएंगे जीवन में. मेरी प्रायोरिटी क्या है? What is my priority? What I want from my life? We even go to the center. We are there with the center. There's a beautiful story in Ramayana. Shurpanakha and Shabri, both female character. One is living in the jungle, very simple, living very humble life, living with less, having nothing. Nothing for tomorrow, nothing for now, what to talk about tomorrow. And just living with that center. Looking for that center. When मेरे राम आएंगे, मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग्य आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे. ये उसका था. Only she was all the time. मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग. कौन सी झोपड़ी वो? ये मेरी झोपड़ी जो सुनी है. पड़ा था सोना सितार दिल का, हुई अचानक ये जाग तुमसे. जो जिंदगी रोग बन चुकी थी, वो बन गई आज राग तुमसे. तो ये सेंटर जिसकी वजह से मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे. कौन सी झोपड़ी? वैसी झोपड़ी कि वो ढूंढ रही थी, वो जो आपका क्वेश्चन था, सेंटर. So because that center is not being found, that's why we are looking for many centers. The moment that center is found, done, बात बन जाती है फिर. उसी लिए परिक्रमा, उस लिए सारी यात्रा, ये यात्रा या जीवन यात्रा या जीवन की यात्रा, सारी यात्राएं पूर्ण हो जाती हैं. बस फिर न प्रश्न रहता है, न प्रश्न की तलाश रहती है. किसको पूछना प्रश्न?